Mami. Hi, viewers. Hey, about Kwahu Pot there. Now, Ayowa, we are coming to show you how to make pots. Pot now, it's chimomokuni. When you pepper, tomatoes, onion, you add your salt, to grind pepper, that pot, that black one. This is how Kwahu people make it. So look at this one. This is a clay. This is a clay that is used. Okay, so this clay, there are people who go to the bush to make a hole and get this clay. So when they get this clay, they sell it to the woman. Okay, they sell it to the woman.
Why I said they will
So they sell it to the woman. And when they come to the house, they make sure that this clay is dry. Okay, when it's dry, they just break it into small pieces.
What do you call this?
Mommy, menstrual. When they break it into pieces, they put it in a bowl like this one. They put it in the bowl. Okay. Then add, you see this one. Now this one has become soft. So what they will do is that they will put their hands inside and take the soft one and mix it with something another. This is sand. Okay, this is sand, and this sand we call it amodi. Okay, those who make the Ayowa or the pots, they call it amodi. So, because there will be small stones in this amodi, what they do is that they put it. You see how they've made the. You see how they make this thing. This is a gallon, small gallon, and they make a hole inside it. So when they put it inside like this, it will separate the sand, the smooth sand, from the stones. Okay. It will separate it. It's like the way I'm doing it. So let me do it well for you. So they do it like this. They do it like this. Okay. So when they do it like this, this is how it becomes. You see the stones are out. When they put or they can just throw the stones away like this. They just throw it away. This endless. Okay, so they will mix the stone with the clay. That's a soft clay. So this is how it is done. Okay, so you mix it like this. We'll mix it. Then sometimes they will be adding water. Okay, they will be adding water. See, this is how we make Apotoyowa, and I say Ayowa or pot. So look at it. So you mix it. You mix it like this. So when you are mixing it, they have a way to test it. Okay, with their hands. They are able to test it to know that it is okay for them to use it to make Ayowa. Especially when the sand becomes too much, it can affect the end products of the Ayowa. And this woman, the most, let's say, special thing about this woman is that they are able to know that if let's say we add more of the sand, it can affect it. So they are able to manage it all the time. So look at me. So I'm mixing it. And the amodi is the sand. Is this sand that I'm mixing with the clay. That is amodi. So I think with this one, the softness is okay for me to make that one. So look, this is how the woman has already done some. Look at this one. Okay, this one too is another one. So this is Ayowa that the woman has made. This is Ayowa that the woman has made. And from here, look at how. So from here, This is how she needs water to make it smooth. So this is the water. And in the water too, there's this small stick. Okay, all this she uses it to make it smooth. This is Apotoyowa. Apotoyowa is a, how do we call it? Corn. The shells in the corn. Okay, so they also use it to make it smooth. Okay, watch. So from this stage, you see that she has something that can make it come a bit taller for her to be able to make the Ayowa. You see, now she's trying to design the Ayowa. She's designing it so that it will look very beautiful. And let me show you something. So this is some of the Ayowa that she has already made. You see that there's a hole inside. This is the wood aspect. So what she will do is that later she'll put some of the mixed clay. She'll put some of the mixed clay in the middle of the Ayowa so that it can get a stand. Okay, it can get a stand so that it will all dry together. So now it is my turn to make Ayowa so that you see how Ayowa is made. So let me get. You see, I'm a Kwahu woman. Okay, so after Ayowa, I remember when we were children, we were doing it. Let me say it. So let me use here. The woman is busy, so don't let me disturb her. When me say something, me so fast.
Nsu no kwa de hu nimfa so.
Hu nimfa so.
That's when you dey afa so.
Me say sana na.
Oh,
okay.
When you dey afa so, say mfa so bi.
Okay. Say me ti, say now e a ye ti.
Me say de opeso ba nwu no na obeten.
Eti meti ni say.
Say de o the kesiye ne say.
Kesiye. Eti very smooth. Very smooth. It's well mixed. No stone, even not a little stone inside. So now, I don't know if I will remember it. I think it's been 30 years, over 30 years that I've not done this, but let me try my best, okay? I'm making Ayowa for you to see.